talk a little Temp-tations. So you know Temp-tations, they bring us things that are super useful in the kitchen, but always beautiful. And this is one of those pieces. The classic wire, this is indoor outdoor, so if you want, you can leave it outside as well. It is the cooking caddy, super versatile container that these are all the things you're gonna be able to do with it. Most importantly, it's like your lugger, right? Like you're gonna be able to lug everything that you need outside to the barbecue. You load this up and then you take it with you. You don't have to make 15 trips back and forth from the kitchen, but there's so many other things that we can do with it. All you have to do is pick your favorite color. This is the red. Here's the white. They all have this beautiful, here's all the beautiful white. They all have the same wooden handle. So there's the red. This is the bronze. We have 450 in the bronze. Here's the red. We have 800 in the red. There's your white. We have 350 in the white. And then the black, 650 in the black. So normally this was $59.30. Today we're at a clearance price of $29.98 and free shipping and handling. Again, versatile. So use it to bring your things in and out of by the barbecue, right? Like here we have the skewers. We have all of our condiments that we're going to use out there, even making our salads or the mustard or anything that you need to baste your meat on the barbecue. We have our utensils, all of that stuff. Oh, and also, wait, hold on. This is the cool part. It even has a holder for your paper towels, which I think is phenomenal. But you could also use it inside just as a storage unit, as a storage place, right? This is all the things that you need for your puppy. So the leash and the snacks and all of those things. And then this is really, I think my favorite, your cleaning caddy. So all of your cleaning supplies go in here, even the paper towels. Because you know what I do when it's time to clean? I grab the paper towels from the kitchen, and then I go and try and I clean, and then I never put them back in the kitchen. So it's good to have your own cleaning paper towels and have your own kitchen paper towels, right? Because I know a lot of you understand what I'm talking about. It's always like when it's cleaning day, then the paper towels in the kitchen get lost. This is done in a great metal with the wooden handle as well, and so many things that you can do with it. Just pick whether you like the red, the white, the black, and we also have the bronze for you to choose from. So when you come, okay, K64313 is the item number. We're on a clearance price and free shipping and handling. So still to come, something else from Temp-tations. We've got